Hi guys. So what I want to do is I want to say I'm so sorry that I'm not here yet again. But this time I have a training that I have to go to. But we have our lovely Miss Danforth, who I hope is standing right where I'm pointing. And we're still doing our research and thesis and whatnot. And I'm just going to get down to the nitty gritty. Okay. All of your research, by the way, is due for all 3 paragraphs. Is due by the end of this Thursday. That means if my thesis was coral reefs are declining due to global warming, I'd have to have all my research about global warming and coral reefs done that supports that they're making coral reefs die off. I would have to also have all of my research about how overfishing is making coral reefs die off, and I would have to have all my research about water pollution, that's the third one, and how it's making coral reefs die off. But then I would also, by this Thursday, have to have at least one counter argument for the global warming topic, one counter argument for the water pollution topic, and one counter argument for I think y'all know what the other one is. Can't get the words out of my head. Overfishing. Okay. So you need, okay. During the main lesson time, so this is what you must be finished with your thesis by the end of this class. Where's my kid? This class today, okay? So today's goal is finish thesis, okay, which is a statement and 3 pieces of supporting evidence, just like the one I just said. World coral reefs are mostly dying due to human intervention from climate change, overfishing, and pollution. You got to have 3 things to stick to it. You can't just say, oh, coral reefs are dying. Done, Miss Bryles. No, you're not. No. You have to have the why. The 3 things that your paper is going to focus on about that issue. Because readers like to have a really clear goal for when they're reading your paper. All right. So 1, you're going to finish your thesis. 2, you're going to find at least 5 pros about your claim, pieces of supportive evidence. And you're going to find at least 2 counter arguments, cons, that are against your claim. You only need 1 per subtopic. So you only need 1 for each of these sub topics. So you would only need 1 counter argument for climate change, 1 counter argument for overfishing, and 1 for pollution. Okay. So again, research must be finished by the end of the week, and that includes finding enough evidence for each subtopic in your thesis to write a full paragraph about each of these. And everybody look at the poster on my board. It's over here. Look at the poster on my board. It says argumentative debate paper. That is the outline of your argument paper. So remember, first paragraph's got 3 pieces of evidence, hopefully 3 pros and 1 con. Second supporting paragraphs, 3 pros, 1 con. Third, supporting paragraphs, 3 pros, 1 con. Let's see, instructions from last Thursday that might be helpful. I included this because you might be able to, if you got really used to these links, you still need to make sure 6 people pre-approve your thesis yourself. This doesn't say this should say Miss Debbie Danforth, your sub, and 4 friends. And you're going to ask these questions. Is the claim only 1 to 2 sentences? Does the claim use first person? No. Does the claim use an opinion word? No. Does the claim include